Hey guys, your Guitar Goomba Lucky back again. Today, we are resuming work, continuing work, doing work, thinking about work, some kind of work on our giveaway project, J-Bass. Now, what are we going to do to it? I guess you'll have to stay tuned to find out. But if you do stay tuned to the end, then maybe you can find out how you could win this very bass once I'm finished building it. Stay tuned. Welcome back. Seems you made it through the intro. Today I was supposed to start on the modifications to the body of the J-Bass, but unfortunately the weather in Southeast Louisiana is just absolutely abysmal. It is 38-ish degrees, wet, rainy, ugly. The contract form guys showed up this morning at 7 o'clock, started putting wood around the muck that is my yard right outside my garage here. To let you know, I have an addition being built on my house. What is currently my garage will become my home gym. I have a new 3-car garage being built in addition to an expansion wing. So that's kind of messing up our ability to get the heavy tools out because, well, all of my big tools are in temporary storage. This job was supposed to have been done 2 months ago today, but building permit issues gave us a gigantic rash of grief, and here we are. So, enough talking. Today we are going to debut the Golden Goomba, which I talked about in the last video, which is a prize for special members of our Guitar Goomba community. So this is the Golden Goomba. Yes, it's a t-shirt. Yes, it's a Guitar Goomba t-shirt, but this, lay it up here. The Guitar Goomba logo is in gold metallic. The shirt I'm wearing is in silver metallic. This is the shirt you get when you actually win one of the guitars. You get this shirt as your prize t-shirt to go with your guitar. This one, these two shirts are not for sale. The only way you get this shirt is if you win one of the contests for a guitar. The only way you win this shirt is if I decide you are a valuable enough member of our community that you deserve to be named Golden Goomba. My desire is to give away one of these shirts every month. Starting, today. The winner of this shirt, this very shirt, is Uski. So if Uski would be so kind as to comment on there, saying that yes, he saw the video, yes, he wants the t-shirt, then he can email me at guitargoomba@gmail.com, tell me his size, and I'll whip up a shirt for him. Now, on to the modifications of our J-Bass. This pocket here for the bridge pickup is too small. The pickup literally does not fit in here. So this pocket has to be rerouted anyway. And I was thinking, well, if I have to reroute the pocket, I might as well modify it, right? So I've decided to scrap the pickups that came with the kit, and I ordered a new pair of pickups. They will require me to completely change the layout of the router holes for the pickups. I also do not like the plate that holds the knobs for our tone and volume. Just don't care for that particular cover plate, so we're going to make a new one. One that will be more fitting with the style of the guitar. Now, the wood part of the guitar, other than rerouting the pickup cavities, will get a little bit of a change. because, as I've said before, the inspiration for this guitar is a World War II P-51 Mustang Warbird that I saw out at the New Orleans World War II Air, Sea, and Land Festival this year. So the lower horn here is going to get modified to more closely resemble the lower air intake on a P-51. The upper horn here, I'm going to try to do something with that to make it look more like the canopy of a P-51 Mustang. There will be plenty of pictures in here. In fact, you've already seen a couple of the pictures of our inspiration airplane. Now, the headstock here is going to be shaped very similar to the one from our Telecaster giveaway that we just had. Reason being, I want the headstock to look like the nose cone from Charlotte's Chariot, which is the name of the P-51 Mustang inspiration that we're using. So I'm going to shape this to look more like a nose cone off of a Mustang, and then I'm going to paint it to look like the one off of that particular plane. Now, the neck on the backside is going to be painted to resemble one of the propellers on the P-51. The body will be a metallic aluminum silver with some airbrushing on it to make it look more like the panels of a P-51. Then back here, this part will get painted like the tail from Charlotte's Chariot. And since Charlotte's Chariot was involved in the D-Day invasion, there is special paint markings on that plane denoting that it was one of the Allies participating in the D-Day invasion. So that is black and white stripes on the lower banding of the plane. So what we're going to do is we are going to do that detail along the bottom of the belly right here. When it's all said and done, I think it's just going to be too cool for, well, any school. But that is the layout of our plans for our P-51 Charlotte's Chariot inspired J-Bass. I'm not going to tell you what kind of pickups that I ordered because they haven't come in yet, so I can't show them to you. Hopefully on the next video, the pickups will have come in, the weather will have started to cooperate at least a little. Then I can get started doing some of the actual body modifications so that we can get ready to put this guitar into paint. I could do the neck modification today because that's only going to require a jigsaw, but I figured I would go ahead and put that off a little bit until after we've done the modifications on the regular body, because you've seen me do the headstock on a guitar before, and until we get into paint, it's really just not going to be that interesting. So that's going to do it for this episode of Guitar Goomba, our giveaway Guitar 2 build. If you want to win this very guitar once it's fully customized, all you have to do is subscribe to the channel, like the video, and leave a comment below. Again, as always, clicking the like button, not really required, but I appreciate it if you do it. When you subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell so that you don't miss any future episodes. And as always, I appreciate you guys being part of our community. So, subscribe right there. Check out the playlist for our first build down there and the latest video down there. Till next time, this is your Guitar Goomba Lucky saying, keep rocking.